Hi guys, I am going to teach you Java programming language step by step. Let's start from the beginning with introduction of Java. Java is a programming language created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystems in 1991. The target of Java is to write a program once and then run this program on multiple operating systems. The first publicly available version of Java, Java 1.0, was released in 1995. Sun Microsystems was acquired by the Oracle Corporation in 2010. Oracle has now the steerman for Java. Over time, new enhanced versions of Java have been released. Java is defined by a specification and consists of a programming language, a compiler, core libraries and a runtime, Java Virtual Machine. The Java runtime allows software developers to write program code in other languages than the Java programming language, which still runs on the Java Virtual Machine. The Java platform is usually associated with the Java Virtual Machine and the Java core libraries. The Java language was designed with the following properties. 1. Platform independent. 2. Object-oriented programming language. 3. Strongly typed programming language. 4. Interpreted and compiled language. 5. Automatic memory management. We will discuss Java installation process on our next video. Continue watch our videos to get basic concept on Java programming language.